This is the Eufy Permanent Outdoor Lights E22, and it features triple LEDs with AI lighting and year-round smart lighting scheduling. This is meant to be a permanent outdoor lighting solution to illuminate your home, patio, or pathway and enhance the appearance of your home with customizable lighting. And this is also a great way to provide extra lighting for your security cameras at night for those of you that have security cameras. Now you can pick this up in 3 different lengths. There is 50 foot, 100 foot, or 150 foot. And the one that I have here is the 100 foot one. Inside the box, you'll find a handy diagram that outlines the steps to set it up, along with the QR code linking to the instruction manual. For the 100 foot version, the light strips are packed in 3 separate boxes. The smaller box includes all the necessary screws for mounting and drywall anchors in case you need those. But you also have the option of using the double-sided tape on the back of each individual light to attach them directly to your house siding without any screws. But I wouldn't recommend only using the double-sided tape. This here is the 72 watt power supply that powers the entire lights. It comes with side-mounted brackets, allowing you to easily install it on your exterior wall. Next we have the hub, which connects to your phone via Wi-Fi to configure and control the lighting settings. So I ended up adding 2 pieces of spare double-sided tape on the back of the hub to attach it onto the wood so that it wouldn't dangle, and it has been holding up really well so far. The string lighting connection is straightforward. There's a male and female connector that you simply align and attach. Once connected, secure it with the threaded cap and make sure to secure it tightly. There is a rubber ring on the end of one of the connectors that creates a watertight seal for moisture protection. So the complete installation of this took a long time. It took me about 1 hour because I had to keep repositioning the ladder, but it was totally worth it because it looks great. Before installing it, I stretched out the lights on the floor to get an idea of how much it would cover. This almost covered the majority of the front of the house. There's just a small gap on the right side, but it looks good. If the outdoor outlet is far from where you will be starting your lights from, there's an extension cable that you can connect to the power adapter end, and there's also an extension for the lighting strip end. I used the extension cable from the power adapter, which gave me enough cable length so that I could hide the cable behind the gutter. Depending on the thickness of the beam on your siding, you might not be able to use the double-sided tape on its own. I had to use both the double-sided tape and a screw to secure it on the wood parts that are thinner. For the thicker wood parts, I was able to get away with using a screw on every other 2 lights. If I used a screw on every single light, it probably would have taken me about 2 hours. The great thing about these lights is that they are built to withstand harsh conditions. The power adapter has an IP67 rating and the lights have an IP65 water resistant rating, so these can be left outside permanently as long as the power outlet connection is covered. This is a simple fix if you don't have a water resistant outlet cover. I got this outdoor outlet cover from Home Depot for like $12, and I'll leave the link in the description in case you want to check that one out. So these lights can withstand temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Where I live, the lowest that it has ever gotten is 32 Fahrenheit and the hottest is about 95 Fahrenheit to 105 Fahrenheit. So this should have no issues holding up. To control the lighting, you will need to download the Eufy Life App and create an account. This is what the app looks like, and from here you can turn the lights on or off with the small power button icon. To access the entire settings, just go ahead and tap on here. From here you can adjust the brightness of the lights with the slider. These lights have a brightness intensity of 96 lumens, which is very bright for ambient lighting. So right now it's midnight, and this is what 1% brightness looks like. This is what 50% brightness looks like. And this is what 100% brightness looks like. I like to keep these lights at 60% because they're not too strong to disturb my neighbors, but they give me plenty of light. So these LEDs have a temperature range from 1500 Kelvin, which is very cool, up to 9000 Kelvin, which gives you a very warm tone. Below the brightness slider, you'll find 4 different lighting settings to choose from. First, there's the AI option, where tapping on the magic dice gives you a random lighting scene. This also has an AI chat, where you can type in a scenario or a mood that you want, and this will create a custom scene for you. So there are over 80 categorized preset lighting configurations under the ambient section. You can find scenes for holidays, seasons, emotions, flags, and weather. You can edit any of these presets by tapping the pencil icon in the top right corner, which allows you to adjust the colors using a color wheel, and you can also change the speed to create a slower or faster effect. You can then save your changes or restore the default effect. In the daylight section, you can select natural light temperatures, while under the personal section, you can fully customize your own lighting effects. This includes setting each light to a different color and even adding dynamic effects. The possibilities for unique lighting combinations are endless. So the feature that I like the most on this is the ability to sync these lights with Eufy security cameras. When the cameras detect motion, the lights can trigger specific lighting scene to enhance safety and add a touch of personalization. For example, I'm using the warning effects, and this flashes the lights red for a few seconds when someone enters the camera's perimeter. This not only deters potential intruders, but it also provides extra illumination for my security cameras so that I can see better. You can also set up a recurring schedule of the days and times that you want the lights to turn on to a certain lighting scene. Overall, the Eufy permanent outdoor lights E22 have been performing exactly as intended, providing bright ambient lighting that enhances the appearance of the house at night while adding an extra layer of security. The increased visibility makes the home less appealing for break-ins, as anyone or even animals can be easily spotted as they approach the house. While these lights are on the pricier side, there's currently a discount available for up to $70 off if you purchase right now, and I'll leave the link and discount code in the description. Alright, so that does it for today's video. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more tech related content, and I will talk to you on the next one.